In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop your phone from listening to you. If you do find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you don't want your iPhone listening to you anymore, this guide is for you. First, and this isn't going on right now for me since I am recording the screen, but look for an orange dot at the top of your screen. This means that your iPhone is currently using your microphone. What you're going to want to go ahead and do first is actually swipe up to see if you have any apps open, because that app specifically could be recording you. If there is an app open for you, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is open up your settings, and you're going to want to do this even if there wasn't an app open, and then scroll down until you see the privacy and security option. This is going to be towards the bottom. Select it, and then from here, go ahead and select the microphone. You may have to scroll down once again to see this, and when you open this up, look for that app that is currently using your microphone. Now, even if you didn't have an app open that is using your microphone, this is going to be every single app that does have access to it. It is going to be why your iPhone might be listening to you. So if you want, you can tick off all of these apps. It's completely up to you, but that's one thing that you're going to want to do. Next, go back into your settings and scroll up to the top and select search. And from here, go ahead and type in vocal shortcuts just like so. And make sure that you have this turned off if it is on. I never set these up, so I'm good to go. And then go back one more time, and this time go ahead and search up Siri. Click on this option, and then go ahead and turn off Hey Siri right here. You don't want this picking up because this is just another way that your phone is always listening to you. But that's it. You're now good to go. Your iPhone's not going to be listening anymore. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and have a great rest of your day. Peace.